I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complete.
Tell me this doesn't look good, man. This is so beautiful.
Jagaband, them I call me #1. Understand, man, I put them on the run. Can't understand, never putting on the show, on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I'm ringing up the show on the low. Man, I'm killing up the show.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out a newly invented headband wig. This one comes with lace and this wig is from MYFIRST WIG. So it comes like this in this wig bag, and here I have some headbands and a small bag that contains hair clips and a rat tail comb. It also comes with a wig stand. So this is a kinky straight texture and the length is 20 inches. Yeah, the length is 20 inches. So this is what it looks like straight out of the box. So this is what the cap looks like. As you can see, it does have a lace at the middle.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings.
So guys, as you can see, I already laid down my baby head and I'll just go ahead and try on this wig because I can't wait. This wig is so full and it's so soft. It's the same method, the same headband that you already know. The only difference is that this one comes with a parting space in the middle. So it does have clips and all of that.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complete. Them man, them I really can't test me. Way I put it down. Jagaband, them I call me #1. Understand, man, I put them on the run.
Tell me this doesn't look good, man. This is so beautiful. The hair on its own is really soft and beautiful and so full, guys. You can see how full it is. You know I like my hair full, right? So yeah, this is really full and I absolutely love it. So this newly invented headband wig is perfect for someone that wants headband wig, but at the same time you don't want it to look so obvious. You still want it to look natural. So this is the perfect headband wig for you. I absolutely love this one. In fact, this is my favorite among all of the headband wigs that I've tried before. And thank you so much, MYFIRST WIG, for sending me this hair to try out. You can actually style this hair anyhow you want. You can also put it in a bun. Like I said, this wig is so secured. Like the cap size is just perfect for me.
See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. See the girl them pull up. See the man them turn up. Inna the yard them a burn up. Till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Batman, me, I handle my.
So I'm going to switch my lens because this is a small type of lens. So I'm going to switch my lens and show you guys the full view of this hair.
Man, them I really can't test me.
I don't know if I showed you guys style #1. Of course I did. The one where I had the middle part is my style #1 and this is my style #2. Look at the beauty of this hair. It is so beautiful and so full. You can style this hair differently. The fact that it comes with a middle part just makes it even more beautiful and natural looking. So this is what it looks like at the back. So like I said before, this wig is from My First Wig. I'm going to leave every details of the wig in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So don't forget to check out my description box for the link to this wig. And that'll be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Say we get to pay, so no delay. By the end of the day, she be wanting more. By the end of the night, they be wanting more. Busting out the place, them I want it more. My people, them I want it more. You know the place, see the girl, them know. See the girl, them know. You know the house, see the man, them know. See the man, them know. Baby, make me feel alright, make me feel my fantasy, yeah. Cause you turn me on, now you're taking me all night long. Bad man, bossing all the place, them are wanting more. Them are wanting more.